Mommy! I'm sorry. No, you're... No, you're not allowed to read that, young lady. Let's put glue. Kunin mo na kay Lola yung spoon. Wait lang naman. Punta ka na dun. Hintayin mo na dun. Guys, I'm running out fast. Guys, look at the glue. It's almost here. It's dust. It's like not that. It's halfway for. Oh no, I'm wasting it. I'm wasting it. I am wasting it. Oh my God, my glue is done. I'm actually waiting. You know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just buy another one, a cheaper one. Yeah? My mom said promise, so she better come and stuff. What else? Well, she's doing that. I'll beg for her forever until she says yes. Even though I'm sleeping. Guys, I do that every time. I always do that. Give me a thank you so much. Guys, here we're stirring the glue. This is the last piece of glue I have. That's nothing. Ubus na yan. Kahit meron ka, ubus na yan. That is not glue gun that is activated. We're not gonna put any color. So, no, that's just fucking instruction. Okay, kuha ka dun ng 17 ml. Ay, hindi. Kuha ka dun ng 20 ml of water. Yung nag-drink. Uy, wag yan! Ginawa ko yan. Mas nakunin mo na yung ano. Hindi ko siya papairam ng slime ko. Guys, I'm running out of time. Bye-bye! See you in part 7. This is only from part 10. Bye!